Well, did somebody here want to hear a John Prine tune besides me?
Which one are we doing? We got it.
You come home late and you come home early.
How early is that, Phil?
You come on big when you're feeling small.
Never small.
I was in the pool. You come home straight and you come home curly. Hey, Mo!
Larry!
Sometime you don't come home at all. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness, loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. Tricky parts now. Well, I got a heart that burned with a fever.
About 102.
Oh, yeah. I got a worried and a jealous mind.
She's right there. I see her.
How could a love that would last forever
Or at least 15 minutes.
get left so far behind?
Jeff liked that one.
So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. More tricky parts. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow
Ooh, ooh.
that crossed this evil line today.
I do it every day.
How can we talk about tomorrow? Yo,
Yeah.
we've got one word to say. So what in the world come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness, loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. Yeah, out there running just to be on the run. One more time. Yeah, out there running just to be on the run. Thank you very much.